Car window tinting serves many purposes, from preventing onlookers from peeking into your car, blocking out UV rays that will damage the furnishings, and helping provide heat reduction in the car's interior. If one or all of these reasons interests you, watch our review below on the 5 best car window tints. Number 1, most popular. True Line Automotive Computer Customized Window Tint Kit. This product from True Line comes as a set of pre-cut window tints. You can choose from 10 options that cover some or all of the windows around your vehicle at a 5%, 20%, 35%, or 50% tint. If you choose one of the options that come with the install kit, you will get razors, squeegees, and a spray bottle to help with the application. This selected kit is only for all side and back windows. Number 2. Lexen 2-ply Premium Carbon Window Tint Film. Lexen manufactured our number 2 choice as well. The main difference between the two is that this one comes pre-cut instead of as a roll. You input your car's make, model, and year, and Lexen sends you a film that perfectly fits your windows. Along with the pre-cut films, you also get a squeegee. This helps to push out bubbles during the application process. Come in a black color option and use nano-ceramic particle technology for heat rejection. Number 3. J&K Networks Real Precut Tint Film. This J&K Network set comes pre-cut for your vehicle's specific make, model, and year. It covers all of the windows around your car, including the back windshield, with a film that has a 5%, 25%, or 30% tint. J&K Network strives to make the application process as easy as possible. It may require heat shrinking to fit any curvature of your windows prior to installing the pre-cut tint. A professional tint squeegee application toolkit is highly recommended. Number 4. Lexen 2-ply Ceramic All Windows Precut Tint Kit. The tint shades are available from 5%, Limo Darkest, 15%, Dark, 20%, Medium Dark, 35%, Medium, 50%, Light. This film is completely distortion-free, giving you a crystal clear view at all times. No cutting required. 2 PLY 1.5mm Premium Carbon Automotive Window Film. Scratch-resistant hard coating. UV ray-treated high-quality adhesive is included. Heat gun and professional tint tool kit are highly recommended and are available on Amazon. Number 5. MotoShield Pro Premium Professional 2mm Ceramic Window Tint Film. MotoShield Pro's tint roll comes in 8 sizes. This allows you to pick the roll that will cover all of your vehicle's windows without leaving too much roll left over. These rolls also have the widest tint range out of the products in this review, starting at 5% and going up to 75%. The material used to manufacture this tint is metal, carbon, and dye-free, making it safe for the environment. The extreme heat-blocking nanoparticles in our car window tint films provide superior heat and UV protection, keeping you and your family safe and comfortable all year round.
Thanks for watching the video.